Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit my notification bell. Okay, my friends, today I would like to teach you how to create a fun learning quiz using Kahoot for your students. First of all, go to the Google search, type Kahoot, then choose Kahoot website. Click the sign up. You can sign up using Gmail account. After that, fill in your account details. Then click Join Kahoot. And choose to continue for free. Then go to Create. Now you can create your questions. Enter your question or instructions, upload your image, set the answers. Beside quiz, you also can choose the true or false question, to make your learning and teaching more interesting. Go click Add Question to create another quiz question. Besides, you can set the timer for each question, and set how many marks for each question after choosing the right answer. After finish creating your quiz questions, now click Done button at the top right corner, and put some name and description for your quiz game that you have created. Now click your quiz game. Click play. You can choose host live or create the challenge. If you're using Zoom online learning or live video with your students, you can click host live. Click the classic button. Then Kahoot code will appear. Now, ask your students to install Kahoot app into their smartphone. Sign in as a student for Android user. Go to Google Play Store, type Kahoot. Click install. After install, click the Kahoot icon, click Enter Game PIN, enter the code that you have given by your teacher. After enter the Kahoot game, your student will appear in your screen. Now you can start the game. When you choose the wrong answer, it will reveal the right answer to enable your student to learn. I hope this video will help you all. Before ending my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and hit my notification bell. See you in the next video. Thank you.